Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Friday, October 25, 2018. What a special day, what a special day. The 1946 Brightside U22. Preservation is complete. She's coming out of the shop for the first time in almost 3 years. We executed a comprehensive preservation, saved all of her planking, put a 5200 bottom on her, put 24 coats of varnish. Mickey Dupuis did all of the hardware. Cochin Instruments did the gauges. She wears her original upholstery. And now, thank goodness we've kept her indoors, because it's time to winterize her. She's known fondly by her family as Nana's Boat. And Nana's Boat will now be winterized and tucked into storage for the winter, where she will rest. We were unable to do our planned sea trial this fall. It's in the low 30s here right now. Lake Champlain's down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Just too cold to run a tight rebuilt engine. So we will fire her here, run her for about an hour, and then winterize her and put her away. She fired up nicely, and now RJ's and I have got the paint running through her. We'll do one more. Listen to her bark. She's running beautifully. Up in water. Now RJ will fog her. We always fog all of our engines so that we coat the inside with nice film of preservative oil. And there we are. Nana's boat is ready to go to sleep for the winter. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.